If you're tired of swiping up every few seconds while watching Reels, you might be wondering, can Instagram auto-scroll for you? Here's what you need to know and how you can set it up even if the feature isn't built in. Right now, Instagram does not have a native auto-scroll feature for Reels, but there are a couple of workarounds you can use to make it happen. First of all, open your Settings app, then go to Accessibility. After that, scroll down and tap on Voice Control and toggle it on. Now, go to your Instagram Reels and say Swipe Up. Your phone will scroll the reel for you. You can even create a custom command under Voice Control. Just tap on Commands, then go into Custom and then tap on Create New Command to make it easier. This way, you can watch Reels hands-free just by using your voice. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.